Imagine a world where your breakfast is prepared by a robot chef, your car drives itself to work, and your mind meets your gaming console for some telepathic Fortnite fun. It sounds completely bonkers, but so did talking to small glowing slabs of glass 20 years ago, and look at us now. In this essay, we will plunge into the captivating world of emerging technologies, those promising innovations poised to influence every crevice of our daily lives. Prepare for a journey into the future, sprinkled with a healthy dose of humor, incredible facts, and visionary insights. Before we delve into the specifics, let's line up our digital ducks with a neat table of contents so you know exactly where this techno ride is taking you. Buckle up.
Remember when you had to wait for a video to buffer? Thankfully, those days are vanishing faster than my willpower at a donut shop, thanks to 5G. Imagine this. Your phone's internet so fast it could stream 18 movies in HD at the same time. That's 5G for you, sprinting through gigabytes faster than Usain Bolt on a caffeine kick. With implications far beyond faster Netflix streaming, 5G is setting the stage for everything from smarter IoT devices to enabling real-time communication in healthcare. It's not just about speed, it's about opening new doors in tech application.
What do electronics and bananas have in common? Soon, they could both decompose after you're done with them. Biodegradable electronics are not about gadgets sprouting leaves, but about reducing e-waste with technology that dissolves back into nature post-use. It's like giving the Earth a thank you card after years of dumping plastics into it. This emerging tech could reshape how we view product life cycles and sustainability, making throwaway culture a term of the past.
Ever thought about texting just by thinking about it? Brain-computer interfaces, BCI, could soon turn you into a real-life Professor X. BCI taps into neural signals, allowing direct communication between the brain and external devices. It's not only for sending weird texts. Applications range from revolutionary therapies for the disabled to potentially controlling your home environment through thought. The ability to interface directly with machines could change our relationship with technology forever, making it an extension of our own thoughts.
Quantum computing sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, and honestly, it kind of is. These computers don't use traditional bits, they use quantum bits, or qubits. Instead of being limited to ones and zeros, these cheeky little particles exist in any combination of states until they are measured. It's like they're both dead and alive, a la Schrödinger's cat, contributing to potentially solving complex calculations that are currently not feasible. The real kicker? Quantum computing could revolutionize fields from cryptography to weather forecasting, and it's all thanks to some incredibly indecisive particles.
How do you grow a steak without a cow? Science has entered the chat. Lab-grown meat involves cultivating animal cells in a lab, essentially farming without the fields or the animals. This isn't just futuristic farming. It's a response to the global increase in meat demand and environmental concerns. By 2050, your burger might just come from a bioreactor and not a farm. The process reduces animal suffering, uses fewer resources, and could drastically cut down on agricultural emissions. It's a win-win-win unless you're a steak purist.
Are you tired of mundane tasks? Well, robots are now getting in line to take them over. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, allows robots to handle repetitive tasks across various industries. From processing claims to data entry, RPA isn't just about replacing human labor, but enhancing productivity and accuracy. It's like having a super efficient, never-tiring assistant who doesn't drink your coffee. While some fear job displacement, RPA also opens up opportunities for humans to engage in more creative and strategic roles, fundamentally changing the workplace landscape.
Imagine a shirt that adjusts its temperature based on the weather, or pants that track your daily physical activity. Welcome to the era of smart fabrics. These textiles are embedded with conductive threads or equipped with electronics, bringing new functionalities to your wardrobe. Not just a gimmick, these fabrics could monitor health metrics, change color or pattern based on your choice, and even harvest energy from your body movements. Clothes that charge your phone? Yes, please.
Afraid of spiders? There's a VR headset for that. Virtual reality therapy uses immersive environments to treat various psychological conditions. By exposing individuals to their fears in a controlled and safe virtual environment, practitioners can help treat phobias, anxiety, PTSD, and more. It's like facing your fears, but with a digital safety net. The potential extends beyond therapy to enhancing educational and training experiences, making learning both engaging and impactful.
Cords. Who needs them? Wireless electricity isn't just for charging smartphones. Imagine powering your entire home without a single power cable in sight. Through technologies like magnetic resonance or inductive coupling, power could be transmitted through the air over distances, making electric cables obsolete. The implications for design and functionality are massive, potentially leading to cleaner, more flexible living and working spaces.
Blockchain is famous for cryptocurrencies, but its potential extends far beyond Bitcoin. This tech offers a secure, transparent way to record transactions and data, making it nearly impossible to hack. It's being considered for everything from secure voting systems to revolutionizing supply chain management, ensuring data integrity and trust in a digital world. By decentralizing data storage, blockchain could fundamentally alter how information is managed across industries.
Imagine powering your house with the ghostly particles that pass through us unnoticed every second. Neutrinos are nearly massless, chargeless particles that could be the next big thing in energy. These tiny adventurers are everywhere, and harnessing their power could lead to an almost inexhaustible energy source. It's like capturing the power of a cosmic wind. While still in early development, the potential for a clean, renewable energy source from neutrinos could be a game changer for our energy-hungry world.
Have you ever wanted to edit your DNA like a blog post? Crispr might be your tool. This gene editing technology can precisely alter DNA sequences and modify gene function. Its applications range from curing genetic diseases to improving crop resilience. Imagine bananas that won't go brown or humans resistant to certain diseases. Crispr brings these possibilities within reach. The ethical debates are hefty, but the science is sprinting ahead, potentially reshaping the very blueprint of life. In the future, you might swallow a robot for your health checkup. Nanomedicine involves deploying microscopic robots to repair cells or deliver drugs precisely where needed. These minuscule medics can navigate through your bloodstream, targeting illnesses at a cellular level, potentially revolutionizing treatments for everything from cancer to Alzheimer's. The idea of tiny robots in your body might sound like a sci-fi nightmare, but the benefits could be truly revolutionary.
What if you could download skills to your brain or have night vision? Augmented Humans might sound like a plot from a dystopian novel, but advancements in biohacking are turning fiction into reality. From implants that enhance senses to exoskeletons that provide superhuman strength, these technologies challenge our concepts of what it means to be human. The ethical and societal implications are immense, sparking debates about fairness, identity, and what the future holds for human capabilities.
Synthetic biology sounds like playing God, but it's really more about being an uber-creative scientist. By redesigning organisms for useful purposes, scientists can create everything from biofuels to medications. Imagine yeast cells that produce insulin or bacteria that clean oil spills. Synthetic biology could lead to solutions for some of our most pressing environmental and health issues. It's about stitching the fabric of life into helpful patterns, and the possibilities are as vast as life itself.
Forget seaside views. How about a room with a view of the Earth? Space hotels are on the drawing board, promising off-planet getaways. These aren't just for billionaires and astronauts. As commercial space travel becomes more feasible, space tourism could become the next frontier for the adventurous traveler. Imagine floating in zero gravity, sipping a drink while watching the Earth rotate. It's a vacation that's truly out of this world.
Leafi uses light to transmit data, offering speeds up to 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. It's like switching from a bicycle to a sports car in the race for internet speed. This technology could revolutionize internet access, providing faster, more secure connections. Since light cannot penetrate walls, it offers an added layer of security over Wi-Fi. The potential for incredibly fast data rates could change how we stream, game, and communicate.
Imagine forests that send alerts when they are on fire, or oceans that report pollution levels. Environmental intelligence uses sensors and AI to monitor and manage natural environments. This technology could transform conservation, enabling real-time, data-driven decision-making. It's about giving a voice to nature through technology, potentially revolutionizing our approach to environmental protection. The blend of ecology and technology could be our best shot at sustainable management of the planet's resources.
What if hospitals could print organs as easily as your office printer prints documents? 3D printed organs could turn this fantasy into a reality. From kidneys to hearts, 3D printing technologies are being developed to produce tissues and organs. This could end transplant waits and rejection issues, providing custom-made body parts. The implications for healthcare are profound, offering new hope for those in need of organ transplants.
Imagine ships sailing the high seas without a crew on board. Autonomous ships are set to revolutionize the maritime industry. These vessels can optimize routes, enhance safety, and reduce human error, making sea transport more efficient. From cargo ships to luxury yachts, the automation of maritime travel could lead to safer, faster, and cheaper sea travel, changing the dynamics of global trade and maritime exploration.